I like how my dog like perked up as soon as I started making noise. Dog is like, the fuck you doing, bruh? Cora, I love you. I love you. Don't be alarmed. I'm doing my VTuber thing. Don't be alarmed. But hello. We are. The main objective right now is to kind of come up with a plan for a layout of the other areas, and I should have put up my flowchart. Let me open up Lucid and see if I can drop that. Hold on. Open up Waifu Corp. Can't believe my VTuber was late today. No! Alright, well, I guess you're gonna make me drown as punishment, so. So this is the main thing I need to worry about right now. Because right now it's this and this, but because of story reasons, it kind of has to be move this up. It kind of has to be lobby containment. So right now, I just need to figure out all this stuff. So as you can see, if you kind of look at here with everything, you have 3 areas that you need to access at the beginning of the game, and 3 areas that you need to access later. So it's really I need to make sure that you are forced to go to containment, and then after containment, you will have unlocks these areas. What's Blue Sky? What were you? Oh, you see this here. It's a social media app. It's a replacement for Twitter. The only thing that Twitter has on Blue Sky is user base. If people would hop on Blue Sky, it'd be a lot better than Twitter. It has better features and better usability and better environment. And it's not being run by Elon fucking Musk, so. So right now, I just kind of need to come up with a floor layout. Flowchart. So, one second. Whiteboard. Grab one of these. Because as of right now, once this loads. V-Bridger, why are you doing that? It's not like people own anything big in this world. Yeah, I know, right? It's not like Elon Musk is helping Trump make the world a worse place. So right now we have I should have set up my drawing tablet. What do you mean America? No. USAID shutting down affects a lot of things, especially in Europe and the Middle East. If it was just the tariffs, then it'd be America and the UK. That's the Americas and the UK that'd be affected. But the USA shutting down means that a lot of people who needed assistance around the world is not getting assistance anymore, and pulling out the international development. Honestly, it means that a lot of projects that America was working on worldwide is now going to be taken over by China. Which, I know that's choose your evil type of situation. Do you want your international development being done by America or China? But I'm kind of biased that I'd rather be done by America, you know? For me, it's such a good thing for... No, it's a good thing for Russia, yes. I think the only countries that benefit from that are Russia and China. Those are the only two nations that benefit from that being shut down. So, you know. But hey, we saved a couple bucks and people are gonna die of starvation. Perfect. But the thing is, of the three, there are 3 U.S. departments that are investigating Elon Musk for war profiteering, and USAID was one of them. So the fact that USAID was investigating Elon Musk for war profiteering, and then he personally shut them down, it feels like such an overstep. But, okay, that's enough politics for now. I'm going to change the subject. No politics, only game. So, we go outside and then into the lobby. I really should have... Trying to write letters with a mouse is, like, fucking abysmal. Then through the lobby, we have to go to contain. And then there has to be some other area. Media outlets being shut down is someone of night. Yeah. Well, it depends on... what do you mean? B1... No, it is a corridor. I mean, this is a corridor here. But I'm thinking of making a multi-level. Having 3 corridors. So basement 1, basement 2, basement 3. So this is containment. Then we have casino, cafeteria, and so... Your sound lags? Wait. What do you mean by lags? I think my model is lagging a bit. A metallic sounds every now and then? 1 second, let me turn on my testing. Oh, geez. Yeah, no, that's bad. Testing? Hello. Okay, the cord was not fully plugged in. Okay. Alright, that should be better. Alright. Soiko's now? Okay, sounds good now. I was like, what the fuck is a Zoe's call? So, casino, cafeteria, and AI should be on this floor. It echoed for a moment. Okay. Well, the echo was because I turned monitor on. So I was listening to myself. And because I'm capturing desktop audio, you could hear me listening to myself. Operation... Production... And then the CEO office. So this is kind of like the layout. There's gonna be 3 things. I'm lagging again? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna turn it back on, so you're gonna hear me double in a second again. Hello. Ba 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 ba. It sounds fine. Okay. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah. So this is going to be like the general layout of the entirety of the game. So these are going to be all the maps. So you have the outside map, the lobby map. operation. So the operating room, ER, intensive care. I don't know what you would want it. Yeah, so it's outside the lobby, containment, casino, cafeteria, AI testing, operation, production, CU office. And what I think it does is the key card will bring you down to here. We'll have reasons you can't explore too much of the basement level, like things blocking off the peripheral. Then I'm going to have it so that in containment, you're going to... I think a hole in the ground will appear. The side ducks are dancing. What? Did I draw something that looks like a side duck to you? Alright. So basically, we had the first floor corridor, then B1, B2, B3. It made me think, but occasionally you have a strange thing going on with your mic. It is possible. I could be peeking. Testing. I think I might have gotten a little lower. Okay, how about now? Whoop, 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 blah. Now it's very silent. I'm just trying to make sure I'm not peeking, so... I did turn down my microphone and then turn down the desktop volume. To prevent peaking. So you might have to turn me up on your end. So, see how that works. Yeah, I turned you up. Yeah. I turned everything down, not just my mic. Okay. Figured. Yeah. Because I think the issue was that I was peaking. Like, even though I turned it down, my high end is still hitting the yellow. And I think before it was hitting the red, and I think that might have been causing the issue. Might have been a peaking issue. But anyway. This is the outlook. I need 4 maps for the corridors. I have the outside. I have the lobby, so we check here, and I check here. So I would literally just need 3 corridor maps, and then these 7 maps, and that would be the layout of the entire game. I did it again? Really? I'm gonna have to, like, have a sit down and talk into the mic and figure out these settings. Yeah, like a Radio Shack sound. I guess we're just gonna have to deal with it for now, and then when I'm not streaming, I will play around with it. Laser point. Laser point. Laser point. I don't know why I'm having fun with the laser pointer. Okay, anyway. Yeah, that's gonna be the generalized layout. So if I come over here... I haven't set up a pool, yet, so we don't know. Wow! Hee-yo, Mario! Hee-ho, indeed. goal. Alright. That's it, alright. I'm just gonna copy this map and paste it a few times. Kinda wish it would always go into that, but... Alright. This is going to be... 1B. 2B. 3B. And I think I'm going to make the color scheme of each level different. I've reached the capital of potions being big enough for the frequent slips. Nice. Wait, why am I saying nice? That might be a bad thing for me. What are you doing? Puppy, what are you doing? Let me give you some pets. Alright. Well, what I need, more than anything else, is to... sip. Well, okay, I need a sip. But also... Yeah, I'm not, I put this as a kind of layout because I thought maybe I could use it this way, but I think that's going to be wrong. What I'm actually going to do is... For each floor, I'm going to do this. There's going to be a dead end on some of these maps. Just because obviously there has to be a dead end. But also, we needed one of these. I think it goes up to here? Yeah, that looks right. And we're gonna make a different version of this. For all 4 floors. Technically, I don't need 3 of these. Basements 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so... we have the basic gray... for... that. What are you chewing on? Are you chewing on the leg of the table, baby? What are you doing? He keeps chewing on something, and it's causing a, it's causing the desk to shake, and then I look down, and I don't see what he's chewing on. I'm like, what are you doing? Okay. Let us make different versions of this. Let's... I want red to be one of them. The Phantom Shoe. I know. There's a red. I need a darker red. Here. Then I need a lighter red. Here. Actually, I think the lighter red should be this. And then an even lighter red. That could make the red area. Alright, then we'll make a blue area. Okay, we'll do that. Then we make a... this goes a little lighter. Oh, that is not a good shade. That might look fine. What should I do with the other color? Maybe like a purple? There's gonna be decent colors. I also need to figure out what colors I need to make the walls on those. Go ahead and save this and export. And just do like a look on how it would look as a level in context before I commit to anything. Okay. I think purple should be the first zone, possibly. And then we use this. Oh, that's right. I need to go one more for just the solid color. Right. So I'm just going to push this down one. Purple strip where? Alright, and then I guess I could just immediately see what would be good for this. What would be a good color against the blue? Maybe like a yellow? Turn continuous on here. Mm-mm. Actually, a random pink would actually kind of be a little funny here. No, I think, something closer to that would probably be better. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely not a great color. Oh, I already did the purple. This should be this. Yeah, I'm just putting here just to do... I already know that's not really looking that great. I'm just, setting things up. Like, that yellow sticks out way too fucking much. Yeah, I'm gonna set up the colors, then I'm gonna modify the Ace Bright, and then test it out more. Do red for the last one. Yeah, color theory... Having some understanding of color theory would be amazing right now, but I don't have that. Let's go ahead and get rid of these events. Yeah. I'm just gonna start messing around with the colors, now that I have the full thing. Okay, so let's think. What color do I think would go with the purple here? Because the way I have it on the first floor, that shade of, like, a desaturated green works well with the gray. Like, I think this color scheme is really good. But the question is, how do I fix it for these? Trying to think of colors is a bit weird. Let me see if I can find, like, purple walls. Oh, I guess a white accent seems to look good with purple walls. Like, you see that white couch, and the white here, and the white trimmings here? We could probably do white with the purple. Yeah, almost everywhere I look on this, it seems to be trimmed with white. So I guess color theorists already know that white goes good with purple. So I'm not gonna argue. Let me, well, that's interior design. Yeah. When in doubt, look at what the interior designers have done. Not the cocklick. Well... That needs to be appeasing to look at for everyone else. Definitely looks a lot better. I think once I start adding more accents to this would look fine. Is it complexities like this white with a minuscule amount of color? Yeah, but we're, that would mean that it would look like this for the, amount of... Do you want it to look like this for the entirety of the game? I want each, corridor to kind of look different. It has X fundings. Listen! Oh, mate. I should have had one of the levels look like the back rooms. a different color strip to every level. That might end up being what I have to do. Because if I did that... and then put a brown strip here... or maybe a yellow strip here. Flake walls with indication of level. Yeah. That might end up being what I'll have to do it. Because otherwise I'll make it kind of an eyesore. So, first floor. Alright, let's make this a bit wider, so we'll say 30 maybe? The biggest thing, like I said, we're not doing a mansion after all. No need to go out on colors. Yeah. We can go more all out with the other rooms. I mean, we got a fucking casino to add here, so... the casino must look appealing. Yeah. Yeah, once we do the design for the casino, that's gotta be some shit. Also, for, the color strip like we're doing here, we also need it to, have something for a doorway. So, if I were to do that here... Actually, I think it should just be that. I'd probably even put it, I'll put that over here. Alright. Now we just got to make... with that, we should have the trimmings. And then we just gotta make this for the other colors. You know, I could make an Employee of the Month poster and then just have it be me, like, multiple times in a row, like a totally rigged thing. Employee of the Month, CEO, 12 months in a row. Unless I do that as like a special call out, like make an employee of the month and put various viewers onto the thing. Like employee of the month, February, Surfer Burlington, March, Mr. Swine, and then just like go on and on with like Star and other people like that. See, I think it's better. I think, yeah, I think in general it feels more in line for me to make rig it so that I'm always the employee of the month. Like an obvious rigged thing. So I guess you do an Easter egg room with viewers if you feel like it. Yeah. We'll see. Okay, export this. Okay. Now for here, we just put the trim. And that is what a doorway would look like. That looks better. That looks like it gives it a little bit of depth. Funny if the employee of the month thing had you and a Gorn up here every now and then to make things look fair. Yeah. Yeah. The door definitely looks nicer like this. Let me add a door here. Okay, so that was the yellow strip. Here we could put, like, the brown strip. And I might change this to be like a red strip. We'll have to see. Oh, I have to do this one at a time. Yeah. White strip. Yeah, that white strip is a little eh. I'm gonna make this a red strip. White strip's looking kind of boring. Yeah. It would have looked a lot better if it wasn't against the gray background. But it is against a gray background, so I have to change it. Alright, that looks a little better. And over here, it'll have, like, signs above it, like, this is the containment. What the fuck? Oh, hold on. Why did Restream just log me out? It logged me out midstream? That seems bad. Alright, there we go. Yep, so we have containment on this level. And on this level, we have casino, cafeteria, and AI. So it'd be casino. That can't stream, has to log out mystery. AI testing, cafeteria. Some of these signs I might improve a little, but having it so that every place except the casino is basic, it does kind of fit. And then you have to go in the hallway to get to my office. Alright, so we're gonna make this a bit bigger. Casino sign fucks. I think an extra ornament wouldn't hurt, though. If you have a direct suggestion. Okay. Let's go ahead and start deciding what we need in the containment floor. Anything casino, really. Oh, you mean like an extra, like, decor? Yeah. Wait, why is the... That should not have been like that. Why is the drink machine water cooler like that? Yeah, it would be kind of cool to have, like, extra core on the side. Yeah. And I could have, like, a poster saying, that you can place your next paycheck on blackjack or something like that. Like, some real decrepit, like, scummy stuff. Can't wait for your next payday? Come to the casino, where we will allow you to place your paycheck on the roulette table. Play what again? I said blackjack. And I think I said roulette the second time. Because imagine being like, oh man, I have these bills and I can't wait for next paycheck. Hey, I'll let you have your paycheck, but you gotta gamble it. Put it on the black. Just any type of hint that I'm oppressing my workers is definitely needed. Actually, let me take a moment and say, hold on. 07 to Miss OSHA. Because, she might not be timed very well anymore. I don't mean to go back into politics, but the entire department she works for Trump is trying to shut down. So, 07 to Miss OSHA worker. As if that's ever a good thing. I'm just gonna have a reference to OSHA even if OSHA gets shut down. Because fuck you, OSHA forever. Fuck workplace safety, Eagles, fireworks. Yeah, I know, right? Dude, the amount of companies that are going to just cut their own private expenses at the cost of work safety is going to be crazy. But anyway. I also need to fix the water cooler. I don't know why the water cooler is like that. That should be B. Why did it get cut like that? Checks out. Yeah, that's the thing. He's only making policies that are good for businessmen and not people. And my feed has just been nothing but people who voted for Trump losing all their subsidies and wondering why they're losing all their subsidies. They're like, I voted for Trump and now the government is not helping subsidize my farm, so I might lose it. And I'm like, oh yeah, I wonder why. Okay, I said no more politics, and I need to, like, start that now. Okay. Maybe I can't like that. Yeah. I'll put the water cooler there. That seems like a decent place for a water cooler. The water cooler can show up in other places, so it's not like it's a one and done thing. I probably should make a sign for stairs. I don't think I need to have this anymore. Yeah, let's, go back to flattening. Let me take a look at a stair sign. Oh yeah, they do just make it kind of a zigzag. A zigzag is easy to do, at least. There's probably not that many steps, so... I really didn't know what stairs look like. I wanted to know what, people put for fucking, standardization on that. I know what stairs look like. I wanted to know if they did anything other than zigzag. Unless I could put it like a stick figure onto that. That looks like a dude. like a dude, right? Yeah, it looks like a dude. Oh, I just realized this layer got flattened. This layer should not even be visible in the final product. So. Okay. Exporty. I think I need to put it on the side, and if I put it on the side, I actually kind of want it to be, like, next to it, but not directly on it. So I think I'm actually going to do this. Alright, that looks good. I'll hit play just to take a look at what this thing looks like. I think I did consider making a script to make the elevator move at a different pace. Can't read undefined of undefined. What? Hold up. Okay, message typing, line 129. Can't read property undefined of undefined. Wait, what? At 133. Alias is not defined. Wait, random? Oh! This was me fucking around. Let me remove me fucking around. And try that again. Oh, it's gonna make me have to do that. I should fuck around with other things rather than try to fuck around in this place. Okay. One of the errors went away, but the other one is still up. Alright. Message typing. 129. Undefined. Alright, well, I'll at least Sipida. Ipida Sipida. I mean, this is the error we have. It says, cannot read property undefined of undefined at window message start message. One, two, nine. But this isn't even near start message. It's being called with an update message. 133. Huh? Oh, I think start message also calls update message. That's why it's saying that. What? Hold on. I'm gonna play console to see if I can get something more specific than whatever the fuck it's saying. Da 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 da. Okay, what are you saying? Wait, why is it passing that? Uh... Okay, get sound friendly name. Okay, what we got? Wait, nothing changed. Hold up. Let me relaunch it. Kinda weird to see a lo-fi version of a battle song. Actually, I'm not even sure if you can hear that very well. I think I might have turned it down a little too much. Okay, so the earliest call to that is 1:30. Which doesn't make sense. It's passing in start message for some damn reason. Which shouldn't be the case. This is not making sense. There's way too much undefinedness. That console log that I put up does not show up anywhere. How is it being set to here? I literally looked at everywhere it could be set at. It's being set to here. There's an if statement. Something is funky happening. I do not understand. What is going on? Okay, I had one extra console. What? That doesn't make sense. Where's the console for here? Like, for some reason, this entire line isn't happening, even though the rest of it is. What are English proverbs with the word work? I am not good at grammar, so... I mean, I know some work, related stuff, like, are you working hard or hardly working and stuff like that. But... proverbs about work. No, not proverbs. I said proverbs, and he went to proverbs, which is spelled the same, but that's the Bible. What do I want? No, I don't want the Bible. What do you want? Yeah, I said, proverbs and work, and it just gave me Bible stuff. Anyway. You have to type error on line. Type error. Wait. Did I miss something? Line 72? I mean, line 72 is comments, though. Are you going to have a type error on line 72? What do you mean line 72? What? That's all within comments. I'll put the actual error that I'm looking at here. for some reason, and I can't figure out why, instead of... It's passing in a function instead of what I actually want. And I don't know how. Only rushing work-related proverb by this. I mean, if you see my issue, using JavaScript, not Python. Well, thanks! That's not gonna help me. That's not exactly how rpgmaker works. If rpgmaker used Python, that'd be a little different story there. Lamau. Alright. Why is it doing that? Omega lol. Yeah. I'm getting roasted by YouTube chat about using JavaScript and not Python. I wish I could use Python more often. I have to use JavaScript for my actual job. And there's a few opportunities to use Python, but in general, they want me to, like, lower the amount of languages being used, and there's, like, all these PHP stuff that's scattered around our code base, and it's like, ah. Although, to be fair, a lot of the code at my job still uses Perl, so... it could be worse. So, line 130. For some reason, this function last time is instead of passing in what I wanted it to do, it's passing in a function. It's passing in this function. Why is it passing in that function? Because the only place this function last time is being pulled is here. What if I did this? Okay. Okay, let me see if that changes anything. If that changes anything, then I have no idea what the fuck was happening. Sometimes code is like throwing your head at a brick wall sometimes. Alias is not defined. On line 142. Okay, that is a valid one. I think that mic is speaking hard. Fuck! I thought I fixed it! Okay, I'll turn the gain down a little more. Alright, gain has been turned down. Da 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 da! Is that better? I got a new audio interface recently, so I'm still messing around with sound settings. So how's the peaking now? Is that a lot better? Yeah, I just need to take a day to just like fucking mess with my audio and listen back to it. I did all the EQ and stuff, and everything sounded fine. But then the very next day, everyone was like, "Hey, you know how your audio sounded good yesterday? How about it don't?" And I'm just like, you don't do this to me." Friendly name .to uppercase is not a function. Where are these errors coming from? Everything was working so good. And then now it's not. Okay, that's 110. Name .to uppercase. That is a string, right? Let me double check. If I do this and it's not a string for some reason, I have no idea what I changed that made everything just go pecan. What? How? What? Why is it passing in a function? How? Wait, what? I don't know, man. I love coding, but I only do Python. What? You exclusively use Python? Python's a good language, but I wouldn't know about doing it exclusively. Good sound. I'm just going to do console log of this and just see what we get. It better not show me a function. That better be a string in there. Wait, what? It didn't even go to this line. What is going on? Wait. Let me check this. Okay, so it does fully wrap. The only place that this calls is here. And to get that, I have to come here. Let's try that again. Hopefully it works now. Or hopefully I see the console now. Okay, so at 193, this says that. Huh? What? This doesn't make sense. So, 193. It says console log friendly name. So, it's pulling at this entire function. But this entire function is process escape character. So according to this, this is passing in itself? I am legit confused about what is happening. For all I know, there could be just some comma or some fucking parenthesis somewhere randomly in the code that's breaking everything. And I wouldn't even know. Okay. 212. 212 isn't even being hit. The only place that this gets called is on 213. And it's not being hit because this is not being hit. I don't understand. I'm not seeing 212 in the console anywhere. Oh my god, hold the fuck up. I think that was the issue. I didn't pass an alias to the FE. Ah. Okay. That wasn't the issue. Probably something very dumb and basic that's being missed. Oh wait, there's a little thing here that says there's an error. Hold up. What's this red thing? Wait, what? What? What are you saying? Visual Studio Code? What the fuck are you trying to tell me? Okay, I'm gonna inspect every little function and see what the fuck's happening. Okay. This looks properly contained. Oh wait, that's a Git thing saying that I have uncommitted changes. Shut the fuck up. Commit. We have to tell it to shut the fuck up. Are you serious? I have to re-sign in. No! Authorize? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I've signed in. I've signed in! Yes. Okay, now can you show me if there's any errors? I think this should still just say last time. SE. Okay. I have to do a scan. Wait, shouldn't this be... hi! Ducky, what's up? I guess... this is only for this. Oh, that's right, because this is a, thing where I want it to get the text instead of, number. With me, how's your day? I've been, banging my head on a table for a bit. With whatever the fuck's happening here. Okay. I commented a good amount of this out, and I'm gonna uncomment it one at a time until things break. For reasons I don't expect it to break. Okay. I guess it's to be expected that that would, be normal. Okay, that at least it runs. Oh yeah, and I don't know if you saw my updated elevator animation here. Rip that dude, right? Anyway, I don't know why that text... Okay, that text kind of got obfuscated. I don't know why rerunning it full screen gets hidden underneath this bit. Also, I don't think it should go all the way to the bottom. I think I probably need to mess with some of the positionings. You know who I am? I mean, you've been in this chat several times, but... If you're asking if I know your full legal name and IP address and whatever else, then no. I should probably... put this here. Oh, you had a different account? If you had a different account, then I don't know how I would know your current. But... Okay, let me see if that makes the elevator pop out more. Let's see. That's just the same thing in different orders. I don't know what you want from me. Okay, I think that looks fine. The extra bordering on the elevator makes it pop out more better. Okay. Alright, what do we got? Let's see if we can get to work. So we're gonna like uncomment a few things. Of course that works, but that's not really that big deal. Oh, right, because it's not actually, being set, so there's no way. Okay, you here. Okay. Next attempt. This process typing FEK is not a function. Remember this today. Happy birthday! Imagine streamer noise here. Actually, I could just play a streamer. Oh, wait. I need to turn it up. There you go. 25? That's my best guess. I don't know. I don't have a general idea of what age you are, so. Alright. Process typing. Okay. 2K. And it does say chat as the previous thing. The things are actually looking fine-ish. What? In the actual bonanzas? Huh? Yes, how do you know? I mean, I guess the general area. Mid-20s seemed like a safe bet. change this to be window base and see if that changes anything. Why is it doing this? When is it doing this? It says it's being passed at 2:04. But even though it says that, I'm looking at the fact that there's a 2:04.
Yes, science!
This doesn't make sense. Let me see. I forgot you had a tongue? All the better to lick you with. I'm gonna comment the process typing SE out and see what happens. I'm gonna comment out the offender. So I'm commenting this out. See what it comes to. If there's like. Wait, what? What? I am a confusion. I literally commented out the method. And it's still being called. 110, friendly name, .2 uppercase is not a function. I messed through the cables again. Apparently! Stop it! Okay, what the fuck is this? Intermediate value 214. And he probably deserved it. Intermediate value. What do you mean it's not a function? It is a function. What? Equals function. Code text state. Huh. I don't understand. I don't understand this error. Let's break down what we have. First, we have the basic function. This looks correct. Then we alias it. And we alias it with this. That should be everything. And yet it's not working. Something funky is happening. If I were to remove the immediate value, what would happen? If I were to completely overwrite the method, of course, this would also have to go. You like me? No! Hey, that caused it to work. I don't understand. That should be the absolute proper way to do things. Get rid of all these consoles. Boop-boop. Window base. Process escape character. Let's look at the original. And I did absolutely copy it correctly, correct? Yes. Code and text date, correct. Let me put this back in and see what happens. fuck? I'm gonna put this here just to see if it's processing correctly. That should be only when the message is being updated, so. Oh, that works. One second. Let me get rid of the other stuff. Yeah, this is the one that's going crazy. We don't need half of this shit yet. Heck, we don't even need Windows. I just need to look at what I'm actually popping into. Okay, friendly name is coming correctly. In the console, it did say the correct friendly name, which was chat. I'm gonna do this and see what happens. If this just breaks it, then I have no idea what's fucking. Why? Uncaught error. Intermediate value is not a function. Bye-bye. What do you mean it's not a function? Console.log. Process escape character. Is this not a function? We'll see. Hold on. If it says it's not a function... What is this? Function... Oh no! Oh no, it's the message core fucking me up, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna think about how I'm gonna fix this. In the meantime, I'm gonna use the bathroom. I will be right back. I'm going to figure this the fuck out. So we have a function here, aliasing it. I'm gonna like pull this alias back in and see if it continues throwing that error. Intermediate value. It's not a function. And it says 210. I'm gonna Google this and see if something shows up. Hold on. There's also a missing semicolon in the third line. There's no way that that is the difference. If that is the difference, then I am a dum-dum. Oh my god. I'm a dum-dum. Okay, so, with that being said, this should work again. That's on. Okay. Theoretically, I think everything should be working now. Can't read properly undefined of undefined. Message typing. So we'll apply that, and then see if that fixes it. Semicolons are important, by the way. I hate that they are. I hate they are. Okay, what the fuck? Property 128. So last time, 128. Can I property undefined of undefined? At last time. Okay. So what we got here is 128 is friendly name. Is it supposed to be friendly name? Wait, I think it's supposed to be this. think it is 100% working now. Wait, did I not? Oh, I think that might have been one of the changes that didn't get saved properly. Oh yeah, hold on. Yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do. Alright, if variable, I'll go ahead and put this to 40. And start to do first floor escape attempts. Okay, so if it's 0, let's say I can't go back. And control variables, escape attempts, add 1. The place is locked down. Nobody will save me. Right? Actually, maybe no, I can't go back. Fuck it. There's a dead guy in the elevator. I'll wait for help. Control variables. Engine. Set to 1. And then common event 12. I'll go ahead and set this to like 100. Because I'm going to be using a lot of these, but we'll have to see later. Indeed. Engine 1. Return to lobby. So conditional branch. Variable ending is 1. Save that screen. Again screen. And game over. Well, in between the fade out and fade in, I'll add the text, and for the game over, it'll be some dialogue and some savings, and then you unlock an ending. Alright. Actually, I think I remember... I do have to play this. I remember them saying something about there being a new core script version. Let me see if I'm, like, tripping on that. Might not even be on the right thing. Probably not rpgmaker. Ah. Updated to 1.9 soon. Okay. I have no idea what soon is supposed to mean. It's probably good for me to not to update on stream and just let things, you know. Okay. But I now have an ending screen here. I probably, should... Is this... Why is this on action button and not player touch? This would also be player touch. Nothing this way. Actually, that's why when I clicked there, it had the awkward movement. Okay. Why do I spell femboy feet? I don't know. Gotta leave spare feet in the... under there. But that also shows a thing that I need to fix, which is whenever I have places like this, tileset B. I wish I could do it from tileset A. So I guess I just take, tileset A, this thing. Oh, that strawberry jam. Oh yeah, he spilled that strawberry jam everywhere. What a waste of jam, right? Yeah, I would eat it. Alright, go ahead, lick it up. Okay. Let's see if that fixes that. Looks like he has one. Oops. The basement I go. Tastes like shit. Some of it might have gotten mixed up in there, considering what that guy went through. I mean, he's fine! Everything is fine. So let's put this, like, over here. Oh, he's laying down. I don't know. He's usually taking a nap at this time, but I don't see where he's at. He's not under the desk, like he normally is. Okay. Oh, that's not the type of barricade I want. That's where the cables. No, that's not what the dog is doing. What's the dog doing? Okay, I think I see what I want to have happen here. So I'm going to open this up. Actually, I probably should put this on B. Should be about B wide. Oh. No, not stop. It's my favorite hobby. I see. Maybe you need a new hobby. I'll do that. I like the topic, it brings you close to my pregnancy. Whatever you say. Well, I hear dog barking. I hear the jingle jangle of that collar. Also makes you mad. I mean, it's kind of a joke, though. Okay, and I need something blocking this way, which I can't think of anything better than a forklift. Put on the lag monster. What the fuck is a lag monster? You know what? I better not ask. Okay. I'm gonna get a forklift reference. Maybe something that's a little more side viewy, like this. And I probably will just have it, a little dipshit that causes me to lag. I'm not lagging. Am I? Am I lagging? I shouldn't be. I'm gonna have to, like, review the VOD and other stuff. And listen to my sound. Hopefully, if whatever errors I'm having, I can fix by next time. Sorry about my damn words every time I'm drunk. Understandable. Alright, okay. So I got a forklift for reference. Very weird when you're drunk. That's understandable. Okay, so first thing we need to do is make some wheels. So let's go ahead and make the back. I'm gonna do it like kind of here, and then if I have to drag it out any, I will. So it looks like the back wheel on those forklifts are smaller than the front. Because the front wheel has big tires and this is small. And that seems to be standard from all the forklifts I see. So that's good to know. So we'll just start with kind of a small one. And then for the bigger tile, we'll make it like a pixel more. So like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it? Maybe? Well, I guess there isn't really much onto that. Okay, now the body. Just a little bit on this top. That should be good. We're trying to pixel perfect for now. that up a little. Alright, time for, like, cause like someone else. Alright, enjoy that. Bye-bye! That could be kind of fine. Look at the shape of what these things look like is a bit weird. Okay, so now... I have something from here to the top. Put this stick up here. Let's do this. And then a line to go here. And then slightly further back to that. This forklift could maybe be used in other places as well for aesthetic reasons. For now, okay, the inside cabin might be a bit long here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shorten this. There's no way that there's that much space. Alright, I probably should also shorten that. And there we go! That looks like a forklift to me! Go ahead and put like a box in it to make it more obvious as to why you can't move past this. There we go. me open up the character, because I don't think I have... Actually, 2x3 actually does work here. Actually, no, this is 2x3. I need 3x2. So, 32 by 48. Oh, sorry. 48 by 32. And I don't think I really need fixed price. Actually, it could be cleaner if I did. Alt B. Each 12 slots. Okay. 3x2 objects. File. Export. Export as. File. Export spreadsheet. Five rows. Pick number of columns 3. And we're going to output it here. Yeah. Just gotta put exclamation point, $sign in front, and export. Alright, so Y is going to be 2, size X is 3. Okay, we're gonna have this go down here. Direction down. I guess I could put one more. It looks like I should be able to... I mean, I have to fix that, but... Tile sets... Okay. So fix that. Alright, based on what I said, I think it actually needs to, like, be pushed up this way. I just need to, higher touch. I just need to copy this. These parts, these work with this, like this. They should lose their certification. And then movement route, player, move right. And I'm probably gonna just have the broken down door, be there, so. Player touch below character. It should be right there. Oh, I see. I wasn't actually touching it. Hold on. Go away. Try that again. I had to remember the size of the forklift. Real quick. Wait, is there a lot more? Yeah, I guess I could do something like that. I guess if I do that, I can move this over here. Which means I need to change the targeting here. Weird. The card doesn't let me back out. Alright. That seems like a fire hazard. And I'm actually gonna have a door that's been broken in and on the ground here. Copy this. Place it here. Place this here. Alright, now we just need to make the container. And the default was 20 by 11. Right, so new 20 by 11. Alright. Containment. I guess. Oh, it already says laboratory. What? Oh, wait, because I haven't selected that. Right. Alright. What is... No, I don't want to use the same tiling. I'll make a different floor plan. Let me see. Science, entertainment room. Most of these things just look bleak. I could have like this kind of tiling. That looks like it could be fine. This will be about the size of the room. Okay, let's go ahead and make that tiling floor. A2 should be the place. Alright. So here we just need what? Why isn't it not drawing? Oh wait, it's locked? Why is it locked? No, it's not locked. Excuse me? The fuck? Ace right? Save. Sometimes Ace right does some weird things, and relaunching it fixes it. Okay, that fixed it. How big is that? That's a height of 8. If I did 8 by 8, this would be the cross section. Alright, export. Okay. It is in the correct location. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make like a broken door here. Slab B. Wait, I saved lab B. Why is the... I mean, at least the part I saved I didn't technically need. But what the fuck? Security door. Da 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 da. What the fuck is... Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Oh, wait. Copy. What? Edit. Copy merged. So I'm gonna put it like right here. And then I'm going to... Okay, I'd be completely surprised if that survived emulation before. Why it says lab B export instead of just straight up lab B? Yes. Export with the same name. What? What do you mean I can't overwrite it? Yes, overwrite it. Can I export with the same name? Excuse me? Oh, that's actually the wrong way to get to there. Give me a second. Open folder. Image. Cal sets. Lab B. Okay. Can I export with the same name? What? Oh wait, this is open as a PNG file and not the A-Sprite file. Oh my god. File open. This. Oh, that's outside. I need lab. Okay, that explains a lot, actually. I was like, trying to figure out what it meant. I didn't realize that I was opening a PNG file. Okay. Alright. And if I come over here... Oh, and I probably just need to go ahead and make some signs. This should be moved left while I'm thinking about it. Okay. I have a lot of things that I need to consider. So, instead of continuing for now, I'm gonna end. And I will gather up a few things off screen and figure all that out. So we're just gonna end the stream there and find a cool person to drop in on. So who's a cool person we could drop in on? Let's see who's on. Oh, Monty's on. You can say hi to Monty. He's playing Outer Wilds. But I'll see you later. I'm going to be playing some more Persona over the weekend. Whether it's 1 or 2 streams depends on whether or not I finish it on Saturday. If I don't finish Persona on Saturday, I'll play on Sunday. Otherwise, I will just improvise something for Sunday. But yeah. And then obviously D&D on Monday. So I'll see you later. Bye bye! Mwah.